Welcome to GearHead Insight, where machines speak and gearheads listen. Today's machine is not just a motorhome truck, it's an absolute colossus. We're talking about the 2026 Caterpillar 988K, one of the largest and most powerful wheel loaders in the world, now transformed into a fully functional off-grid mobile fortress. The Caterpillar 988K is built to move mountains, literally. With an operating weight of over 50 tons and a 540 horsepower Cat C18 engine under the hood, this machine is designed for heavy-duty mining, quarry work, and large-scale construction. But now, this beast has taken on a new identity as a motorhome. For those who want to live wild, free and completely off the map, its massive frame has been converted into a mobile living unit that's as durable as it is imposing. The motorhome body sits securely mounted on the rear chassis, armored for extreme weather and terrain. Instead of luxury chrome and polished hardwood, you get reinforced steel panels, scratch-resistant polycarbonate windows, and roof-mounted solar arrays designed to charge a full off-grid energy system. The interior is a masterclass in rugged efficiency. There's a two-person sleeping area tucked behind soundproofed walls, a compact but functional kitchen with a propane stove and sink, and even a fold-down workstation with built-in power outlets and satellite internet connectivity for hygiene. In harsh conditions, there's an enclosed wet bath with a water-saving toilet and a filtered shower system. Every corner is designed to maximize space without compromising strength or safety. Access to the motorhome is gained via a hydraulic staircase, which folds up for security when parked. High-mounted floodlights provide visibility in remote locations, and the cabin features 360-degree cameras for perimeter monitoring, a vital upgrade for wild environments or solo travel. Even with all these features, the Caterpillar 988K still maintains its original mobility strength. Its oversized wheels, heavy-duty suspension, and articulating frame make it shockingly agile for its size. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, desert dunes, or deep snow, this rig powers through with authority. And let's not forget that aesthetics, the paint job is matte desert tan with black military-style detailing. It doesn't just turn heads, it demands respect. This isn't just a camper, it's a declaration that you're ready for anything the world throws at you. At GearHead Insight, we highlight machines that go beyond the expected. The 2026 Caterpillar 988K motorhome truck is exactly that. A powerful, fearless conversion that proves comfort and capability don't have to be opposites. It's big, bold, and built for those who choose the road less traveled or no road at all. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube channel.